Travis from Cyprus has a question about pool planning.
After 24 years of marriage.
Yes.
Travis, you're my man. Anyway, we've never discussed it, he says, a pool, that is, until last week. I'm trying to understand the differences, he writes, in the differences between quartz finishes and PebbleTech. PebbleTech samples, he says, feel rough, and he didn't get any quartz samples, but he's worried, is one really last longer than the other? And they say he's had 4 companies out there giving them recommendations, and all of them are pushing something different, so it's hard to do apples to apples. So, Tom, Travis wonders, what does he need to know to build a pool?
You need to know a good pool builder, like a U.S. pool builder.
There's that, right.
But I have PebbleTech in mine.
Okay.
And before that, I had plaster, which got ruined. So I had to redo the whole thing. I love the PebbleTech. But once in a while, after about 10 years, you have to have it acid washed because it'll turn a little dark, and then it comes back, though.
Okay.
Because it's one of the pool finishes I know that you can put acid directly on it, and it doesn't affect it. When you do that on plaster, it'll eat the plaster up.
You're doing acid in the backyard?
Yes.
Okay.
Orange sunshine. Okay, fine. Now, as we get back into reality,
all right.
I'm not sure about the quartz product. It's probably a new one, but I'm sure it's really good too because quartz is so durable. And everything is going to be a little rough, but it's not, it's not a diaper. It's the pool lining, and it has to be. But it's not rough as far as putting on your feet.
It's in my hot tub. It's not going to scrape your skin any more than falling on plaster would.
I have a hot tub spa, and I go in with all my glory and no clothes, and I sit on it, and it's perfectly fine.
Going to spend the rest of the day trying to wash that image out of my mind.
There you go. I like the PebbleTech.
And the quartz your soft underside doesn't mind the PebbleTech.
That's
is what you're saying. All right. Yeah. So there you go. So it's a longer lasting surface. But as far as what you need to know to buy a pool, I think maybe, like you're saying, read the reviews, find a contractor you can trust. And in this case, Tom recommends U.S. Pool Builder.
I do, but there's so many things today with pools.
Yeah.
The light systems, the edging, the aprons. I mean, you have so much that you can just spend away until you have no money left.
And you've only begun to spend.
Yes, so
all right.
You just have to sit with someone who can give you all the options. There's some good pool builders out there.
Right. Sandy, there are none of those people out there. That's a personal message from my wife right there. All right. Do you have a question? Go ahead and send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. There's a button, Ask Tom, right there on the middle of the homepage. Click on that. Send us your question. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.